Hey everyone, happy Lunar New Year and happy Valentine's Day weekend. Sorry I'm a little bit offset right now. We just got done with our Lunar New Year party and I wanted to do this unboxing. So this unboxing is something I decided to reward myself with in a way because this past weekend I ran my 4th marathon. And I actually ran the Mesa Marathon for the 2nd time. And I wanted to actually reward myself with this because I actually qualified for the Boston Marathon. And so, with that being said, I'm not gonna give away what I got yet, but this is just a really big unboxing this time around. So, we're gonna see what we got here. All right, so I've been eyeing this for a really long time, and I really wanted to make sure I really wanted to purchase this or have an occasion to purchase this before actually purchasing this item. So, let's see, once I get all this tape out of the way, we're gonna see what we got here. Okay, there's one, and there's a 2. Well, I can get this going here. All right, so this is what I ended up getting myself because I qualified. And we are gonna just unbox this. Let's see if we can get this out of the box. Oh. Slowly sliding out. Alright. So, this is a cute little tote of the Momo. And this is what we ended up getting. It's the Momo Angel in the Clouds. So, this is the cutest thing I've ever gotten from PopMart. And I'm trying to figure out ways to unbox this. And so we will see how this goes. I have no idea how to unbox this. And I just have to look into this. I don't want to ruin the box either, so. Well, it's good to know I have this in my possession. Let's see. Is this the way to unbox it? Oh wait, hold on. Maybe. Ah, there you are. Okay. Oh, sorry. I want to make sure I knew what I was doing before I did it. Ugh. This is what I got as my reward for qualifying for the Boston Marathon and making PR time. This is so cute. And I love angels. And this is so pretty. Oh my goodness. This is really exciting. Alright. Thank you guys for coming along. You guys take care. Love you guys. Bye.